Hi everyone, welcome to the Jayda InStitches show. Do you like tall stitches but find the treble crochet stitch kind of cumbersome? Do you like learning new things that are actually pretty easy? Well, let's try the extended double crochet stitch. This stitch is great. You can use it in place of a treble crochet and it's actually a lot of fun to make. So grab your hooks, grab your yarn, we'll head on over to the craft table and we'll practice the extended double crochet stitch together. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using a size 4 medium weight yarn and a 5.5mm hook. This is also known as an I or a 9. The extended double crochet stitch, though, is a stitch, so it can be used with any hook and any weight yarn you like. I like to work all samplers over at least a chain of 10, so that I can work at least 10 of the stitches. Let's chain 10 to begin. That's a chain of 10, and I will be working 10 extended double crochet stitches into it. But because I'm working back and forth, I will need some turning chains to get up to the right height. Because an extended double crochet stitch is as tall as a treble crochet, 3 or 4 turning chains is required, depending on the pattern you're using. For today, I'm going to use 3 turning chains. So I will chain an extra 3. These 3 chains will act as an extended double crochet stitch. But because this is a demonstration and not a pattern, I'm going to ignore them. Instead, the first extended double crochet stitch I work will be in the 4th chain from the hook. For an extended double crochet stitch, we yarn over, pick up a loop in the next stitch or chain. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull back through 2. Yarn over, pull back through 1. This is the extended part. Yarn over, pull back through 2. And that is as tall as a treble crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over, pick up a loop in the next chain. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull back through 2. Yarn over, pull back through 1. Yarn over, pull back through 2. The yarn over, pull back through 1 made in the middle of this regular double crochet stitch creates a chain right in the middle of the stitch, and that is what gives it its extension. Think of it like making an extra long neck on a giraffe. Yarn over, pick up a loop in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull back through 2. Yarn over, pull back through 1. Yarn over, pull back through 2. The nice thing about the extended double crochet stitch is that it really doesn't look that much different than a regular stitch. It's as tall as a treble, so can technically be subbed in for many treble crochet stitches when they're used in particular patterns. And it's a fun stitch to do. It's not as cumbersome as trying to keep 3 loops on your hook or yarning over twice like we have to do with a treble. It's just a whole lot easier. The main thing to remember is that it feels like a double crochet stitch when you start it. You just have to remember to give it that little extra chain right in the middle of the stitch. And there we go, 10 official extended double crochet stitches, made usable by the chain 3 at the end. Depending on your tension, you might find chain 4 is helpful for turning, but a chain 3 will always work, especially in the case where you're working back and forth in a blanket and you're only using the extended double crochet stitch. It'll keep your edges kind of small, a little on the tighter side, and it won't make that extra space at the end very big. And that is the extended double crochet stitch. It's really easy, it's a nice tall stitch, but it's not as tricky to make as the treble. We hope you enjoyed learning that stitch along with us this week, and we'll see you soon here on the Jayda InStitches show. Until then, stay safe, stay crafty, and have a great week. Bye guys!
Hi everyone, this is Mama InStitches. Thank you for watching. Here are a few other videos you might enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also click the like button and the bell. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.